she was placed in the one of the top MNC as McKinsey, and I convey my sincere thanks to our chairman sir, director, secretary madam, and director sir and executive director sir, and our beloved principal Dr. Mohammad Sharif sir for giving this opportunity to conducting this type of webinars. And on behalf of our student community and on behalf of our department, Computer Science and Engineering department, and all other staff members, I welcome our alumni, Miss Sanvu Priya, sorry, Miss Amrita Priya for this wonderful webinar. Welcome, Amrita Priya.
Yeah,
And now
thank you.
our Professor Jayalakshmi Madam will continue the welcome address. Madam, please. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Good afternoon. I am very happy to welcome our alumni, Ms. R. Amita Priya, who had been working as a business presentation specialist in McKinsey, Chennai. We are happy for the acceptance of our invitation and for sharing your knowledge on non-technical IT opportunities. Welcome, Amita Priya.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
I welcome our chairman, secretary, director, our principal, Dr. N. Mohammad Sharif, for giving this opportunity. And also I welcome HODs, faculties, and students of IT, ECE, EEE, and the CSC department. Amita Priya,
Yeah.
now I hand over this session to you.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay. Continue.
Hi, everyone. Yeah, okay. Can you please unmute yourselves and maybe tell me a small hi?
Hi, Amita. How are you?
Yeah, I'm nice, ma'am. How are you?
Oh, fine.
Okay. Okay. Students, யாராவது அன்மியூட் பண்ணி ஒரு ஹாய் அப்பப்போ வந்துட்டு ஏதாவது ரிப்ளை பண்ணா கொஞ்சம் நல்லா இருக்கும். இல்லனா ஏதோ
Students,
தியரி கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிற
students,
மாதிரி
you can ask any question, or you can say hi for your senior Amrita Priya. Students, anybody?
Hi, senior.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Hi.
Yeah, hi. Hi, everyone. So, hope you all had your lunch.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so Englishல continue பண்ணலாமா இல்ல தமிழே பேசலாமா? Whatever is comfortable for you. Okay, you want me to continue in English. So everyone are okay with English, right? Hi, Ritneshwaran. Okay. Okay, let me mix English and Tamil so that everyone gets to understand it. I hope I got information like second year.
My suggestion is please speak in English. My suggestion is please speak in English because we very much like
Okay.
communication at the time of studies. Yeah, I am also speaking with English with you
Okay,
at the time of your studies. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you may speak in English because of our students will understand your communication. So no problem.
Okay.
If it is they will ask any questions means they will ask in Tamil. No problem.
Okay, yeah, sure, yeah. Okay.
Okay, okay, Amrita. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so now I have not prepared a lot of categories. It's not going to be like a theory class. I'll just share my experience after I completed my computer science engineering, and how my career started and how it is going right now. And I'll also provide you some suggestions like where you can apply some core options. I got to know that the EC department and EEE department were also joining. So I do not have much options for those departments in terms of core. But then I have all non-IT categories listed out. I'll share the screen right now. So, is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. இந்த எஸ் மேம் அந்த ஒரே ஒரு வாய்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கு. எல்லாருமே ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கும். அப்பப்போ நான் பேசுங்கலாம் டார்ச்சர் பண்ண மாட்டேன். எப்பயாவது எஸ் நோ புரியுது புரியல சொன்னா யூனோ நல்லா இருக்கும் பேசுறதுக்கு. இட் வில் பி சார்ட் ஆஃப் இன்ட்ராக்ஷன் இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் only me speaking here. Okay, so
Where are you working now?
sorry. Okay.
Where are you working now, sister?
Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't explain about that. I am working in McKinsey and Company right now as a business presentation specialist for past 4 years. And initially, I was in CSS Corp as a technical support engineer. From college, I got selected as a technical support engineer in off campus. Yeah, like only our college, they took us to Madurai, and we were attending the off campus there. Yeah, did anyone say something? Okay, I hope like we can continue. I hope you're like able to see my screen. These are all the options for computer science department, technical field. I think we all would have known maybe 2 or 3 options like as software developer, software tester, database administrator, but there are like a lot more than that. Now, like I'm not going to sit and explain you all the 12 options listed here. I'll share this PPT with our Karthikeyan sir also. Maybe take it as your homework. Doesn't literally mean a homework, but then whenever you have free time, please Google about all these 12 categories, so that you get to know explanation of all the options. So these are the top 12 options that I've given in core field. Again, you have a lot more than this, but then these are the top 12 listed down. All right. Was I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so it was
You are audible.
okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. The second one is the non-IT options. So all these 14 categories, anyone in any department can apply. Even after completing computer science engineering, you can apply to all these 14. Again, these 14 are the top listed ones. And the second one, which says the technical support engineer. So, once I completed my engineering, I think the exams got over by April or May, and I joined in CSS Corp by June. And I was working as a technical support engineer. But then, I did not like the job role a lot. So this is what I was going to explain. Okay, let me again, please go through all these 14 categories, Google about each category so that you understand what a business analyst means, what a technical support engineer means. Because இப்போ நான் 14 explain பண்ணலாம், but அது ஒரு theory class மாதிரி போகும். I don't want to do that. So you can go home and you can Google about everything, and you have a lot of job opportunities in all the fields that I'm sharing right now. Okay, let me stop sharing this. Okay, so yeah, I was working as a technical support engineer in CSS Corp for almost 1 year, and then I got promoted as senior quality analyst. It was it was not a sort of BPO calls, but then it was KPO calls, knowledge processing scenarios. So like, it is somewhere stuck in between BPO and networking field. It is not a core networking field, and it's not a BPO, somewhere in between that. And I did not like that role so much because நம்ம 4 years of engineeringல படிச்சது எதுவுமே அங்க யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம். So I did not like that. So I got switched from that. So my main point was final year முடிக்கிறதுக்குள்ள you should definitely know what are all the opportunities that you have. என்னென்ன பொசிஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு, வாட் ஆல் த பொசிஷன்ஸ் மீனிங், அப்புறம் என்னென்ன கம்பெனிஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து அப்ளை பண்ணலாம். யூ ஷுட் டெஃபினெட்லி பி கிளியர் அபவுட் தட். அதுக்கப்புறம் if you like networking, yeah, you can definitely apply for a job in networking. இல்ல டெவலப்பிங் ஃபீல்ட் பிடிக்குதுன்னா நம்ம டெவலப்பிங்ல போகலாம். பட் ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் என்ன ஜாப்னே தெரியாம நம்ம அதுக்கு அப்ளை பண்ணி அதுல போக கூடாது. ஸோ that was my very first point. You have to be very clear in the path that you're choosing. Okay, same there, I got promoted as a senior quality analyst. That is where I don't take calls, I monitor all the calls, and then I give the students their training. I was a senior quality analyst for about 8 months, and only after that I applied for a lot of companies, and then I got selected in McKinsey and Company. So right now my job role, the main thing is to work on PowerPoint presentation. So like PowerPoint presentation தானா இதெல்லாம் ஒரு ஒர்க் அப்படின்னு தான் நானும் அந்த ஜாப் ரோல் படிக்கும் போது நினைச்சேன். பட் இட்ஸ் நாட் லைக் தட். இட் இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபார் அ கிளைண்ட் மீட்டிங். They give you all the raw data and you compose it into a slide. It is not about giving animations, giving colors, giving pictures. It is not about that, but it is presenting the data in a very valuable manner. So in the current job, I liked it very much and I'm still continuing. Maybe in the company, next hierarchy. Say it is a senior quality analyst and then it's a team lead. In the madre, I want to go into the next hierarchy. So yeah, this is basically about my career journey till now. Okay. Now I just wanted to give you some tips for your interview. So the first point I told you was, be very clear, Google all the options available. Yeah, இதெல்லாம் யாரும் ஸ்பூன் ஃபீட் பண்ண முடியாது. நம்ம தான் கூகுள் பண்ணி I've given you some 12 to 14 options, but அது மட்டும் கிடையாது. Still there are a lot more of options and you have to Google them. Then the main thing is have your resume ready and have it uploaded in Naukri in all different websites. Naukri alone is enough, but you still know I've uploaded it only there. You still know many other websites have it uploaded over there. And check your emails very often. Respond to all the calls. Like, okay, this is all for someone who has completed final year, who's gonna apply anyway. Like எல்லாருமே final year complete பண்ண போறோம். So this is the procedure. Okay, and okay, the main thing for an interview, this is all you can do before an interview. And how should you be prepared for the interview? Technical knowledge 50%, now communication is 50%. You must definitely be strong in basic communication. No one is going to expect a very good accent from us. If we know the basic English, basic communication, that is enough. But we should be very strong and bold in the basic communication. இப்போ நம்ம இன்டர்வியூ போயிட்டு I've known many friends who have a very strong technical knowledge, ஆனா அங்க போய் present பண்றதுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டாங்க because of communication. So அந்த ப்ராப்ளம் எப்பவுமே நம்ம கிட்ட இருக்கக்கூடாது. Say like they're asking us 10 to 15 technical questions. ஒரு 5 questionஸ்க்கு நம்மளுக்கு ஆன்சர் தெரியலனா கூட இங்கிலீஷ் தெரிஞ்சா அதை வச்சு you can make it up. So communication is like, the key role. And of course, technical knowledge இருக்கணும். Yeah, but give a little bit importance to communication because technical knowledge, you're like learning for the past 4 years. And an interview, say the interview date is on Monday. Maybe for 2 days, you go through the basic questions. That's enough. In any interview, they'll only ask you very basic questions. For example, I'm sorry. For example, okay, let me tell you. I was attending an interview with Zoho for the network engineer. எவ்வளோ பேசிக்கா questions இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா, what is operating system, what are the structures in operating system, and on the 7 structures I explain, I hope it's 7, I don't remember, on the 7 structures I explain பண்ணுங்க, and what are the the basic protocols, and the protocols வந்துட்டு define பண்ணுங்க. The questions were very very basic. நம்ம வந்து அந்த பேசிக் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் ஆஃப் ஆப்ரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம்ல கவர் பண்ணியிருப்போம். ஸோ டெக்னிக்கல் பத்தி நம்ம ரொம்ப வரி பண்ணிக்க வேண்டாம், பட் யூ ஹாவ் டு டெஃபினெட்லி கோ த்ரூ சம் டெக்னிக்கல் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பிஃபோர் யூ கோ இன் டு அன் இன்டர்வியூ. பட் த மெயின் திங் இஸ் கம்யூனிகேஷன். காலேஜ்ல எல்லாம் வந்து நானும் இங்கிலீஷ் பேசினது கிடையாது. ஐ ஒன்லி ஸ்பீக் இன் இங்கிலீஷ் ஒன்லி வித் மை டீச்சர்ஸ் அண்ட் வித் ஹெச்ஓடி சார். மற்றபடி ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூடலாம் ஐ ஆல்சோ ஸ்பீக் ஓன்லி தமிழ். பட் ப்ளீஸ் டோன்ட் டூ தட். Only when we start speaking English, நம்மளுக்கு you'll be very bold, confident-ஆ பேசுவோம். அதெல்லாம் வந்து it is not going to come if you read a lot of books. Everyone will tell you, read a lot of books, read a lot of newspapers, maybe see some English movies, you'll develop a good vocabulary knowledge. But that is not true. Unless and until you open your mouth and speak in English, your communication is not gonna work out. ஸோ ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டானது, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட எப்போவாதாவது இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுங்க. அண்ட் ஸ்பெஷலி ரைட் நவ் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் லாக்டவுன் எல்லாமே ஆன்லைன்ல தான் நடக்குது. when you communicate with your teachers, speak in English, definitely they'll respond to you in English. So yeah, do that. இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேச வேண்டாம் அப்படின்னு இருந்துடாதீங்க. மற்ற டைம் எல்லாம் தமிழ்ல பேசிக்கலாம். அட்லீஸ்ட் மேபி ஒரு 1 hour ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட வந்து இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுங்க. அப்பதான் வந்து ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ போனா ரொம்ப போல்டா ரொம்ப தைரியமா பேச முடியும். Even if the technical knowledge is a little bit low, but you're then confident and you speak very clearly, you speak a very good English, they will definitely select you. But you have a very good technical knowledge and you lag in communication, you'll not know how to explain the answer. அப்போ நம்மளுக்கு அந்த டெக்னிக்கல் நாலேஜ் இருந்தும் வேஸ்ட்ங்கிற மாதிரி ஆயிடக்கூடாது. so this is my it's not my advice, but ஒரு என்ன சொல்றது, ஒரு ரொம்ப பேசிக்கான விஷயம். கண்டிப்பா இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுங்க, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட பேசுங்க, உங்க டீச்சர்ஸ் கூட பேசுங்க, ஹெச்ஓடி சார்ஸ் கூட பேசுங்க. அந்த இங்கிலீஷ் பேசி பேசி ஹாவ் அ டச். ரொம்ப பேசிக்கான இங்கிலீஷ் இஸ் எனஃப். ரொம்ப ஃபாரின் ஆக்சன்ட்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு வேணாம், பட் அ வெரி பேசிக் இங்கிலீஷ், and you have to be very clear, very bold with your answers. 1 minute. Hope you all can understand, right? Did you all understand? Yes, no. Can I get a reply from someone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, then ஒருத்தவங்க தான் ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்றாங்க. அப்புறம் I see so many of them in the call. Yes, okay. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. So next ஒரு tip interviewக்கு என்னன்னா, prepare some answers to the common interview questions. Any interview you go, they are going to ask you, tell me about yourself. Prepare some answer for that. And that need not be prepared in a very big paragraph. You can just prepare, tell them what is your name and whatever graduation that you've graduated, and from which college, maybe from which place. That is alone more than enough. Unless and until they tell you to continue, maybe you can continue with that. But basically prepare a 3 to 4 line sentence for tell me about yourself. And like, yeah, don't go there and stammer for the basic questions. And what would they ask you? They'll ask you like, why are you interested in this role? So prepare an answer for that. So இந்த மாதிரி கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு நம்ம ஆன்சர் எழுதி உங்ககிட்ட கொடுத்தா it will not be nice again. So நீங்க உட்கார்ந்து ஒரு 3 to 4 sentence எழுதி get it corrected from someone if it has any grammatical errors. Okay, and one more point is prepare some questions for the interviewers. So finally, when the interview is over, the HR or the manager, whoever is on interview with you, might ask you, do you have any questions for me? So at that time, you shouldn't tell like, no, I do not have any questions. Just ask them some basic questions like, when will you get back to me? Or when can I expect an email or call from you? Some maybe one question would be enough, but like, do not come out of the interview without asking any question. And some more very basic tips is, please be early to your interview. Yeah, of course, if it's off campus, maybe our college would take you there. But in case if you're gonna attend any interview out of a college, arrive early. If the interview is at 10 o'clock, you can be there by 9:30. That would be enough, not too early again. And then be relaxed, be bold, answer very clearly and answer them directly. All the questions, okay, any type of designation that you're going to attend in, the questions will be very direct. They will not ask you a 16-mark question or a 4-mark question. They'll only be asking you basic definitions. So just be precise to the point. So again, definitions-na, இப்ப ப்ரோட்டோகால்னா என்னன்னு கேட்டா நீங்க புக்ல இருக்கிற மாதிரி ப்ரோட்டோகால்னா என்ன அப்படிங்கறதெல்லாம் சொல்லணுங்கிற நெசசிட்டி இல்ல. வாட் எவர் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஃப்ரம் த டெஃபினேஷன் யூ டெல் them, that is enough. But that should be too precise to the point. Okay, and always have 3 to 4 copies of your resume, and please have a very small notepad with you, because interview pona, they might tell you something. They might tell you something about the company, something about the role. By the end of the day, you come out. So to make a note of that, இல்ல நம்மளுக்கே ஏதாவது ஒரு 4-5 points note பண்ணிக்கணும்னு தோணலாம். Maybe after learning so many technical questions, you can take a note of the main points alone. Have a small notepad, have a pen in the file. Definitely have a pen, because whenever you go to the interview, they'll be giving you one big form and asking you to fill it. And please do not go to them and ask for a pen. These are all very basic small things. Can someone will be able to precise all the points that I told, like maybe summarize all the points that I told and tell it once again? Conditionலாம் இல்ல, முடிஞ்சா மேபி ஆளாளுக்கு ஒரு பாயிண்ட் கூட சொல்லலாம். நான் என்னென்ன பாயிண்ட் சொன்னேன் அப்படிங்கறத சொல்ல முடியுமா? Any simple points at least? இப்ப கிளாஸ்ல சொன்ன கொஞ்சம் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் அது ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Okay, yeah, develop communication skills. Then yeah, maybe you can also type it in chat message. Yeah, have a small notepad and pen. So that's it. Okay, I've also made a small PPT page of all the points that I've told you. Just a summary of all the points. Yeah, again, I'll share the entire PPT with Karthikeyan sir. You can get it from him. Okay, then what I wanted to tell you is the next point was how would what all would the interview rounds be? Any interviews that you attend, say it is a technical, a technical field or non-technical field, whatever interview you're attending, basically, you will have all these rounds. The rounds would be, the first round would be the aptitude questions, written questions. Okay, the order might not be same with all the companies, but then you will only have these rounds. Anyway, it is, you will only have these rounds. So the first would be aptitude questions that would be written. So you should all definitely prepare for some basic aptitude questions. You know, you go and Google aptitude questions for interview. There would be only maybe 4 to 5 patterns. They, in any interview, they'll only ask you that 4 to 5 patterns of questions. So, you know, practice those 4 to 5 patterns. If possible, yeah, I'll give you a list of the aptitude questions, but I'm sure maybe you would have already got it. I'm not sure. But practice aptitude questions. Unless and until you practice some questions, you will not be able to solve it, because those are all logical thinking. So you should have known it before. The second round would be basic technical questions, which is again a written exam. So, you know, it will be sort of only one words and choose the best. And it's again a written exam. The third one would be a group discussion, only if the number of members attending the interview are more. Say you're attending an off campus, then they'll have to select you. You know, they have to consolidate the numbers. So that is the place where you will have a group discussion. But then if you're going for a one-on-one interview, say like there are only 4 or 5 members attending the interview for a particular position, you will definitely not have a group discussion. And the fourth one will be a technical round with the manager. So technical round will not be held by a HR. Any company, it would generally be a manager, but they might introduce themselves as a HR. That is where you know, your communication plays a main role. Again, in that technical round, your questions will be very basic. No interview will have, you know, a very tough set of questions, because they all know you are a fresher. So they would, you know, expect only the minimum basic levels. Say it is C, they would, like, you know, take maybe 2 questions from C, 2 questions from C++, and from basic Java, they would take 2 questions, and finally maybe a programming. This is for a software developer or a tester. It is a networking field. I've already told you, right? Some basics from operating system. So that is all they would ask you. And you know, you can just, if you're attending an interview for a software developer, you can go Google interview questions for a software developer, and you would get a set of questions. If you practice alone, that would be enough, because you know, those you'll have the basics all covered in those questions. And more than that, இப்போ நீங்க படிக்கிறதுல வந்துட்டு நல்லா படிச்சீங்க அப்படின்னா, you know, you don't have to prepare specially for the interview. பேசிக்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருப்போம். ஸோ அப்போ ஒரு கோ த்ரூ மட்டும் பண்ணா கூட போதும் இன்டர்வியூ அப்போ. ஸோ இந்த பார்ட்ல என்ன, கம்யூனிகேஷன் வில் நாட், யூ கேனாட் டூ எனிதிங் அபவுட் கம்யூனிகேஷன் இன் த ஓவர் நைட். ஸோ இப்போ இருந்தே நம்ம பேசி பழகுனாதான் you will be very bold in the interview. And the final round will be a final HR discussion, where they will just speak about your salary. A very basic questions. Maybe that will go for about half an hour to 1 hour, but you know, they'll just check your consistency. Will this person work in our company at least say for a duration of 2 to 3 years? They'll check for the consistency. Then you will be discussing about your salary and further company processes. So these are the 5 rounds. So it's aptitude written, basic technical questions written, group discussion if the number of members attending the interview is more, a technical round with the manager, a final HR discussion. So these are the basic rounds, basic interview rounds that you'll have with any company. Only if the number of members attending the interview are more, they'll repeat the rounds again. Say they'll have 2 technical rounds in order to consolidate the members. they'll have two HR discussions in order to consolidate the members, but they'll only be repeating these rounds again and again. Yeah, so this is all like I've prepared. This is all like I've wanted to tell you. திருப்பி இதான் சொல்றேன். Be very strong in your communication, and also you have to choose the right path. Like இவங்க ரிலேட்டிவ் சொல்றாங்க, அவங்க சொல்றாங்க, இவங்க சொல்றாங்கன்னு you shouldn't choose a path. Whatever engineering you have studied in, please Google like what are all the options available for you. And நான் கொடுத்திருக்க லிஸ்டையும் போயிட்டு see the meaning of each and every option. What is a data analyst? What is a marketing engineer? And if you like that, apply in all the categories. So make sure in which path you want to go and choose that path correctly. Based on your interest. It's all based on your interest. In the ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் வந்து ரொம்ப முக்கியம், கம்யூனிகேஷன் அண்ட் சூசிங் த ரைட் பாத் ஃபார் யர் கெரியர். ஓகே, லைக் இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு நிறைய சிச்சுவேஷன்ஸ் வரும். யா லைக் சே ஃபார் மீ எக்ஸாம்பிள், the first job வந்து எனக்கு it is not like I did not like this job, but I was not like much interested in the job. அந்த மாதிரி கூட ஆகலாம். இட்ஸ் ஓகே, இட்ஸ் நாட் அ ப்ராப்ளம். பட் ஒரு நீங்க இப்போ ஒரு கம்பெனி செலக்ட் ஆகி போறீங்கன்னா யூ ஷுட் ஸ்டே தேர் ஃபார் அட்லீஸ்ட் 1 year, சே 8 months to 1 year. பிகாஸ் செகண்ட் கம்பெனி நம்ம இன்டர்வியூ அட்டென்ட் பண்ணும்போது தே வில் செக் ஃபார் கன்சிஸ்டன்சி. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கம்பெனில ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் பர்சன் சே எக்ஸ் வந்து 6 months தான் இருந்திருக்காங்கன்னா தே வில் திங்க் even if he or she has a very good technical knowledge, good communication, அந்த கம்பெனில 6 months தான் ஒர்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, ஸோ whether he or she will stay in our company-ன்னு நினைப்பாங்க. ஸோ yeah, whatever company you are selected in, try to work there at least for 8 to 12 months, and then you can seek for the next opportunity. Yeah, உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஜாப் ரோல் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு, கம்பெனி ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னா yeah, well and good. You can grow up the ladder in the same company. Yeah, so this is all I have for you. I think note பண்ணி வச்சிருந்த எல்லா பாயிண்ட்ஸ்மே சொல்லிட்டேன். You have any doubts, any clarifications, yeah, you can ask me. யாருக்குமே எந்த டவுட்டுமே இல்லையா? You can like even ask in chat, you can type it down, or you can even unmute yourself and ask the questions. Network security path. Okay, I have not personally worked in network security path, but I know friends who have been working there. Okay, any field, எந்த ஃபீல்டா இருந்தாலும் நம்ம போனோடனே ரொம்ப சேலரி வந்து எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஸ்பெஷலி டியூரிங் திஸ் கொரோனா லாக்டவுன்ல வந்துட்டு நிறைய கம்பெனிஸ் பே எல்லாமே ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஒர்க் பண்ற எம்ப்ளாயீஸ் எங்களுக்கே வந்து பே ரிடக்ஷன் இருக்குது. நம்ம பார்க்க வேண்டிய இம்பார்ட்டண்ட்டான பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு நல்ல கம்பெனி சூஸ் பண்றோமா. இட்ஸ் ஓகே ஈவன் இஃப் இட் இஸ் அ ஸ்டார்ட் அப் கம்பெனி. ஆக்சுவலி சொல்ல போனா பெரிய கம்பெனிஸ் விட ஸ்டார்ட் அப் கம்பெனி போனோம்னா தான் யூல் கெட் அ லாட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்போஷர். you'll get a lot of exposure in it. ஏன்னா ஸ்டார்ட் அப் கம்பெனி போனோம்னா you'll be doing all the work, say from gathering the requirement to giving the client your end product. Whereas in a reputed company, you'll be doing only a particular role. So it's okay if you get selected in any company, it's well and good. But the main thing you have to see is the company that you're choosing. And first, at least a span of 1 year, do not expect much salary. நல்ல சேலரியில நல்ல ஜாப் கிடைச்சிச்சுன்னா we are all very happy for you, but at least for a span of 1 year do not expect much salary. Even if it is like say like 13 to 20k or like 10 to 20, I don't think like a company is paying 10k nowadays. Say it's from 13 to 20k. It's okay if it is a very good company and your job role is also good. You can definitely choose that. And coming back to network security, yeah, I do not have any personal experience in that, but I have a friend of mine. She was like working just for 15k in a very startup company, and after 2 years of work experience, she jumped to a good company where right now I think she's getting paid around 40 to 50k. Yeah. So Mohammed, yeah, it depends on, again, it depends on the role. So நான் என்னோடது சொல்றேன். நான் first CSS Corpல technical support engineer போகும்போது it is a KPO company. So calls தான் எடுப்போம், but it is not like Airtel அந்த டாடா டோகோமோ இல்ல நம்மளுக்கு வர பேங்க் கால்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி கிடையாது. It is a partially networking based. So networking, you will be troubleshooting on routers, Wi-Fi connection, and there is a device called Roku. Foreignல யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. It is a streaming device. அந்த டிவைஸ்க்கு தான் வந்துட்டு we were providing technical support. Like any issue in that particular device, the customer would call us and we will have the issue resolved. So அது வந்து software issuesனாலும் சரி, hardware issuesனாலும் we were handling. Like literally hardware, you will have to reset the device, completely unplug the device. So any hardware issues and software issues in that particular device நான் assess பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். So as a fresher எனக்கு இதான் கொடுத்தாங்க. And எல்லா கம்பெனிஸ்லயுமே இன்டர்னலாவும் இன்டர்வியூஸ் நடக்கும். ஒரு 1 year of span, any position that you're in, you can apply to the next category. So அப்படிதான் வந்து CSS Corpல வந்து after 1 year of taking calls, I applied for a senior quality analyst and I got promoted as a senior quality analyst. Yeah, majority of the company has an interview for you to getting to the next position. So like you're a developer, they'll give you some basic projects again. They'll have a lot of seniors assigned to you for helping. Kandipa ella companies no, they'll have seniors. They'll definitely help you over there and work. Yeah, thank you so much, Vijay sir. ஸோ நீங்க வந்து எனக்கு வந்து பெருசா கோடிங்லாம் எழுத தெரியாது அப்படின்லாம் பயப்பட வேணாம். இன்டர்வியூ கிராக் பண்ணா போதும். ட்ரைனிங்ல எல்லாமே சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க. ட்ரைனிங்கை விட ட்ரைனிங் கூட வந்துட்டு they'll obviously give you some knowledge. ட்ரைனிங் அகெயின் என்னன்னா எல்லாமே தியரி கிளாஸஸா தான் இருக்கும். எனி கம்பெனி தட் யூ கோ அண்ட் நீங்க ஃப்ளோர்ல போயிட்டு ப்ராக்டிக்கலா ஒர்க் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா ஒரு 4 to 5 monthsலயே வந்து யூ லேர்ன் எவ்ரிதிங், all the process knowledge about the company, and they'll definitely be seniors to help you. So அதை பத்திலாம் நம்ம எதுவுமே வரி பண்ணிக்க வேண்டாம். ஓகே, இந்த ஸ்ட்ரென்த் அண்ட் வீக்னஸ் கொஸ்டினே வந்து நான் எந்த இன்டர்வியூலையுமே ஐ டிட் நாட் கம் அக்ராஸ் தட் கொஸ்டின். நோபடி ஆஸ்க்ட் மீ தட் கொஸ்டின். தெரியல, மேபி மற்ற இன்டர்வியூஸ்ல கேட்குறாங்களான்னு தெரியல. பட் ஒரு ஸ்மால் டிப் என்ன அப்படின்னா, இப்போ கேன் யூ எக்ஸ்பிளைன் மீ அபவுட் யுவர் வீக்னஸ் அப்படின்னு கேட்டா, லிட்ரலா நம்ம கிட்ட என்ன வீக்னஸ் இருக்கோ அப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்லணுங்கிற நெசசிட்டி இல்லை. யூ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் டு டெல் தட். எப்படி சொல்லலாம்னா, okay, I've never come you can tell a weakness வந்து ஒரு பாசிட்டிவ் பாயிண்ட் மாதிரி சொல்லலாம். மேபி யூ கேன் டெல் லைக் like I am a work alcoholic person, so definitely அதை நான் கொஞ்சம் வந்து இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும்னு ட்ரை பண்றேன். tell something that you're already good at and you still want to improve. That should be your weakness. உங்களுக்கு ஜாவா வந்து ரொம்ப you are at best in the coding part and you still want to improve it and you want to keep learning about it. அந்த மாதிரி something you're already good at and you still want to improve must be your weakness. ஸோ வீக்னஸ் அப்படி கேட்டோன்னே வந்துட்டு நம்ம லிட்ரலா வந்து நம்மளோட வீக்னஸை வந்து சொல்லக்கூடாது. அண்ட் ஸ்ட்ரென்த்துமே tell something that is related to the position, whatever position that you're applying. டேட்டா அனலிஸ்ட் அப்ளை பண்ணீங்கன்னா டேட்டா அனலிஸ்டுக்கு ரிலேட்டடான ஒரு பாயிண்ட் தான் சொல்லணும். அதே மாதிரி அடுத்து வேற ஒரு இன்டர்வியூ போகும்போது டெவலப்பருக்கு அப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா டெவலப்பருக்கு ரிலேட்டடான ஸ்ட்ரென்த் அண்ட் வீக்னஸ் தான் சொல்லணும். அது வந்து the day before you're going to the interview, prepare, make a note of that and prepare. Have that changed every time you attend the interview based on the role. And yeah, one more point நான் மறந்துட்டேன். எந்த இன்டர்வியூ போறதுக்கு முன்னாடியும் அந்த கம்பெனி பத்தி டெஃபினட்டா கூகுள் பண்ணி பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சு வச்சுக்கோங்க. when the company was started, and like you know who are all the clients for the company and என்னென்ன ப்ராசஸ்லாம் அந்த கம்பெனி கவர் பண்றாங்க. இதெல்லாமே just a glance, இதெல்லாம் மக்கப் பண்ண வேணாம், but just a glance of the company. Yeah, so any other questions? And like yeah, you can always contact me for any clarifications, any doubt. எனக்கும் வந்து say like the company that I'm working in right now, freshers-க்கு வந்து openings போட்டா I'll definitely inform Karthikeyan sir, which in turn will be conveyed to you. And you can also contact me at any time if you need any clarifications, any guidance in regards to your career.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Amira, it's a wonderful presentation by you.
Yeah,
And
thank you so much.
I think our students will gather a lot of useful information from your presentation.
Yeah, okay.
And our professor, Dr. Aisha Banu Madam, will deliver the water. Thanks. Madam,
Yeah.
please.
Yes, sir. Very good afternoon to I am very happy to water. Thanks for one technical item. First, I would like to thank God Almighty making this webinar very successful manner. It's my pleasure to thank our management who always support us for academic and students program. Then I would like to thank our principal sir to always encourage and to conduct all activities for the students' development. Then I like to thank our department HOD, Dr. R. Karthikeyan sir, who always guide and motivate us for department upgrade. And I like to thank our alumni resource person, Amita Priya, for sharing her wonderful knowledge to our students. Thank you, ma'am. I like to thank our all HODs and faculty members of various departments and students.
Hello, madam. Thank you for your vote of thanks. Students, if you're having any doubt or if you want to ask any question from Amrita Priya, our second, third year and other IT students, if you want to ask any question. Okay. On behalf of our CSC, on behalf of our MSCC, and on behalf of our management, principal, once again I convey my sincere thanks. Amrita Priya.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you, Amrita Priya. Okay.
Yes, thank you, sir. Yeah,
Thank you.
bye. Yeah, bye all. Yeah.
Thank you.